Very good.
Wow. Yo, look at this. Good morning, my beautiful people. Thank you so much for joining me for another video. If you guys are new here, my name is Gharfeh, and today I'm gonna be going to the #1 rated vegan restaurant in Phoenix, Arizona. So stay tuned. It's called Verdura Plant Based Eatery, and they got a lot of good stuff on the menu. So I'm gonna go there and do a nice little review, and I'll bring you guys along for the ride. So let's start getting ready and let's go. What's going on, my beautiful people? My name is Gharfeh. Here we are at Verdura Plant Based Eatery, the #1 rated vegan restaurant on Yelp in Phoenix, Arizona. Cannot wait to try this food. Let's get in here. Alright guys, so here's the first thing that I got, the General Pal cauliflower, and I got this because one of the owners recommended it for me. She said it's a customer favorite. And then the other meal that I got that I saw on the menu yesterday was the carne asada nachos. I couldn't pass that up, and I'm really excited to try that because I'm always a fan of trying vegan carne asada. So we'll show you guys that as well.
Yeah, so very good.
Wow. Yo, look at this. Alright guys, so here are the two meals that I got. I got the General Pal chicken because one of the owners recommended this. She said it was like a customer favorite, so I definitely went with her choice on that, and I got that. And then the carne asada nachos, I just could not pass up. And look at these nachos. They got vegan queso on them. They got carne asada that I already tried, and it kind of tastes chorizo spice, so it tastes really, really good. I'm a huge fan. So I'm gonna go ahead and dig in for you guys and show you guys, but first I'm gonna take a picture for the Instagram because the camera always eats first. Alright guys, so I haven't said a word yet, but this food is so good. And this meal right here is fairly simple. I mean, you got a bunch of whole foods, a bunch of veggies, you got rice, and then you got the cauliflower. But then the sauces and the flavors that they develop with the peanut sauce is just spot on. I can't say much better things about it. It's actually like really good. I would rate this honestly like a 10 out of 10. I think the flavor combinations of everything, that they hit it spot on with this, and I can see why it's a customer favorite here, especially for just like a simple whole foods meal. These are all whole plant foods. There's no processed meats, no fake meats or anything in here. It's literally vegetables and whole grains and a nice good peanut sauce. So super solid. All right guys, so we had to take a little break because I was so full from that General Pal cauliflower, but now it's time to really dig into this carne asada. Guys, no exaggerations. This is the best seitan that I've ever had. I don't know what they use for the queso, but the queso is spot on. I made a mistake earlier and had a jalapeno. Too spicy for me. Not making that mistake again. Look at this money bite right here. That is a money bite. You know where it's going. Hands down, some of the best nachos I've ever had, along with some of the best seitan that I've ever tasted. Sorry I'm not talking a lot, but it's hard to talk when I'm eating this delicious food. Halfway through this food, guys. So I got my friend Will with me here today. He's the one helping me film this video, and he's never had like true authentic vegan food, and he's kind of blown away. So I'm gonna let him explain to the camera what he thinks of this food. So I'm gonna flip it around for you guys. Check it out. What up, Will?
What's up, bro? So, never had vegan food before.
What?
I have to say, absolutely amazing.
Nice.
My biggest misconception of vegan food was that it doesn't have that meaty taste, that meaty feel, but it was absolutely amazing. Like, everything tasted hearty, and you get that same feeling inside that you get from eating meats.
Yeah,
but it's all vegan.
Yeah.
Kind of blown away, man, to be honest with you.
So what'd you say about that seitan? I know you tried the seitan on the nachos.
I'm from Alabama. I'm from the South, right?
Yep,
so
yep.
that seitan tasted just like my grandmother's meatloaf.
Nice.
And then what I mean by that is the texture, the meaty, the hardiness of it, and it absolutely blew me away.
And it's made from gluten. Isn't that crazy?
Yes, that's absolutely crazy.
Yeah, dude.
But everything, how it's seasoned and flavored, is if you flavor something to season something right, man, it's amazing.
Yeah.
And so I kind of been proven wrong on this trip here with you.
Alright guys, so I'm back home now, and as I was driving home, I was trying to think of what metrics I plan on using for this restaurant. And the metrics that I came up with were gonna be taste, value, and service. Let's start with number one, taste. Taste of Verdura Plant Based Eatery was 10 out of 10. That is no exaggeration. They did not pay me to say this, and this video is not sponsored by any means. I just felt that the taste of the food was super delicious, and you saw in the video, I couldn't even really talk half the time because I was just too busy enjoying the food, and I mean, it speaks for itself when you see it on the camera. So the second metric that I'm gonna use to review the restaurant is gonna be value. I paid $28 for two pretty large meals, as you guys saw in the camera, and that was including the tip. So if you think about it, it's about $14 per plate, including the tip. That's a really good deal considering the quality of the food. So for the value, I gotta give it a 10 out of 10. And the third metric that I'm gonna use to review the restaurant is going to be service. So right when we walked in, we were greeted by one of the owners. Her name was Julia, and she was super, super nice to us. She was very hospitable. She let me know what people's favorite meals were. She helped me out, and I told her that I was gonna be filming a review, and she was super happy to hear it. All in all, the service was great. The people were very friendly. They were very inviting, and the atmosphere of the place was awesome. It was very big and spacious, and it's also very modern looking, so I really enjoyed that as well. So for the service, I gotta give it a 10 out of 10. And that concludes the video. I wanna thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys made it to the end, I really, really appreciate it. Make sure you comment down below and let me know what you guys thought of this video. If you guys like these style of videos, please let me know. If you guys want me to keep making these kind of videos, I definitely will. I enjoy making these review videos for people, so if that's something that you guys like, please let me know in the comments down below. And if you haven't already, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and as always, I will see you in the next video. Deuce.